In front of me is Redmi Note 11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this Redmi. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings. Now scroll down to Access Apps section. In it, you need to select Manage Apps. Tap on those three dots at the top right corner and tap on Default Apps. Lastly, select one of those sections, in my case Browser, and tap on an app that you wish to apply. I will go with Chrome, so when I click on it and tap on the back button, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!